Our level editor view can be used to load up levels, edit levels, and create new ones. If I want to load up a level, I can just go ahead and select one from this list, which is a list of all the levels that we have currently created in the game. When I do that, it'll instantly load it up in the scene view. I can zoom out of the scene view by using a mouse scroll, and I can pan around this view by right-clicking and dragging. When I zoom out, I can see all these objects that are within our level, and this coordinates with the list of objects over here in the level editor. We can see that this is the level that we have loaded, PNC level 01, which I can go ahead and change if I'd like to. It'll keep it in our conventions so that it'll automatically make things lowercase and turn spaces into underscores. And if I change the name here, it will go ahead and change the name of this level. We're going to leave it there. Additionally, I can also select the UI type, which is where I can select whether this is a PNC or shmup level. And the only difference that has is when you go into the game, what UI is displayed by default. In this case, we want this area to be a PNC level with this sort of interface, and so that's why we're going to leave it at PNC. I can also go ahead and select any of the objects in the level by clicking on it, and I'll get a view of that object specifically. If I want to move an object, I need to use this move tool that's built into Unity. I click on this cursor over here, and I'll get this locator, which allows me to move Brick. I can grab the arrows to move him in a specific direction. Or, if I want, I can grab this blue box in the middle and move him by freehand. When you're moving the characters, you'll notice that they'll pop exactly to the pixels, so Brick will always line up with the pixels in the scene. That's because we do pixel perfect snapping. Because of this, if you're trying to move just a little bit, it might jitter slightly. You can move around the character at long distances and guarantee that they're going to be moved pixel perfectly. I can unload this level so I can go check out other ones by hitting this unload button here. Changes are automatically saved, so I don't have to worry about that. As soon as I edit a character and move it around, the change will be saved. I can confirm that by unloading the level and loading it back in and seeing that my changes have been saved. We can also go ahead and create a new level. At the bottom of the list we have a new level button. If I create that, it'll create a default level for us. We'll give it a better name so it's a little more descriptive. And now this level is already saved. If I go ahead and unload it, I'll see it in my list of levels.